Hi there, welcome back. In this module, I will show you what the options are to demonstrate ISE. The agenda is pretty simple. To know the ISE demo options and to know where to find additional resources. So let's get started. Seeing is believing. Make sure you show ISE to your customer. Demo them how ISE can solve their identity, access control and segmentation problems. When you get to show ISE to your customer, you have various options that are immediate and can help in a short-term gain, and some methods needs to be used for a long-term strategic outcomes. For technical outcomes, you may need some ready-to-use demos, while strategic wins, you might need to go in more detail during the demo. Here are the options in any case. We have a bunch of YouTube videos demoing ISE features, some flash files that can be played on any browser. These two are sort of recorded demos. They aren't live and you won't be able to show anything apart from what is scripted in a demo. There's one other option by using dcloud. These are highly customizable and also give you the great flexibility to showcase more than one use case in the same demo setup. Let me explain a little bit more on each of these. YouTube demos, pretty easy. Go to the channel and make sure you subscribe to it. Search for a specific demo topic and more likely you get the desired video. This is also a great resource to learn how to use demo ISE features. And I actually like how Jamie Sambowers puts it. There's been plenty of times where I've been able to skip a POV because I show them a YouTube video. This is what he said at one of the SEVT sessions.
Hi, I'm Tim Abbott, Technical Marketing Engineer for Cisco's Identity Services Engine, and welcome to our ISE Made Simple video series. Cisco ISE is the market-leading security policy management platform that unifies and automates secure access control. In this series, we're walking through some of the most popular services in ISE. Each video will demonstrate how easy it is to set up ISE, as well as how to get each of these services up and running in less than 5 minutes. This video focuses on Bring Your Own Device, or BYOD. The popularity of mobile devices has truly changed the way we work and play. With features such as MDM integration, an internal CA, and device provisioning, Cisco ISE allows you to enable your employees to participate in BYOD securely. Cisco ISE can also enable employees to manage their own devices, taking the weight off your IT staff. What's more, it's easy to set up. Let me show you how. So we've logged into ISE here, and what we're going to do is now set up our wireless network for BYOD devices. To do that, we're going to go over here in the upper right hand corner and we're going to visit our wireless setup wizard once again. So just like in our guest access video, we also have the option to use our option for bring your own device. So instead of doing guest access or secure access, we're going to set up for bring your own device. So we have a couple options. One is single SSID, where basically our employees can use one wireless network to get their device provisioned for bring your own device, or we can have two wireless networks where our employees will use one wireless network to get their device provisioned and the other is the one that they will connect to. For simplicity's sake, let's go ahead and configure our single SSID. Now, since we already have our wireless LAN controller configured, we're just going to go ahead and enable it by clicking on the slider and then selecting commit. Our next step is to go ahead and give this a name. We're going to call it BYOD. We're going to select our WLC interface and call it employees and click add. And we're ready to commit. The next step is to add our ISE instance to Active Directory. So our domain, we're going to go ahead and add our Active Directory domain. Okay, so we got Active Directory created, and now we're going to go ahead and click commit. So we have a couple of options here at this point. One is we can configure our BYOD portal and we can configure our My Devices portal. So the My Devices portal is a portal that your employees can go to and self-manage their BYOD endpoints. Let's take a look at what they look like. First, our BYOD portal. We can modify that by clicking here on this pencil icon. We can change the text here. We can add a number of different colors or change the different colors. Just like in our guest video, we can change the typeface and the font. If we're happy with that, we can go ahead and just click commit. And if we want to make any changes to our My Devices portal, we'll do something similar. So we're not going to do that because it's very similar to what we did with the BYOD portal. However, we are going to enter some FQDN information, which is going to allow the employees to get to the My Devices portal easily. So let's go ahead and give our My Devices portal a fully qualified domain name. And we'll click next. Okay, so we've got everything configured here, and all we need to do now to get all said and done is click on Go Live. And that's it. We now have our wireless network ready for BYOD. If you're interested in learning more about our ISE Made Simple video series, head over to our Cisco ISE channel on YouTube. For more information on ISE, you can always visit us at cisco.com/go/ISE, and thanks for watching.
Offline demos. We also call them click-through demos. These are recorded files that can be played in any web browser that has Flash enabled on them. We call them click-through because once loaded, they progress only when you click, so almost giving a real experience to the audience. So go download yourself and give it a try. Something ready but real, unlike the first two options, is my choice. Yes, ISE Instant Demos on dCloud. You get a read-only admin access to an always-on ISE setup. We have simulated data that turns the lights on for almost anything of the dashboard items. It's a pretty quick and easy way to show the real ISE to your customer. dCloud is an ocean full of demos. It also hosts a lot of ISE demos. Go to the catalog and search ISE to find the relevant demo for you. Furthermore, here's more resources to click for necessary demos. Again, seeing is believing. Try to show how much ISE as possible to your customer. Keep it simple. Show the ease of doing things with ISE always. To summarize, in this module, you learned all the options that demonstrate ISE, with mainly some videos, assets, and Flash demos to use for the initial sale. Thank you for your time.